Hello everyone, welcome back on new lecture. And in this lecture what we are going to do, we are going to add the voice chatting on the multiplayer. So on the multiplayer we are able to move and we are able to sync the animation, but now what we have to do, we have to perform the multiplayer voice chatting. So how we have to do? First of all, make sure that you have installed the voice chat SDK, and I have installed in my start. So if you have installed, so that is great, otherwise you have to install your voice chat SDK. Okay, so here you can see I have the voice chat at SDK. And what we have to do, so here is the prototype runner. Here we have to add Fusion client voice client. Okay, so here we have added, and here we need two reference, that is the primary recorder as well as speaker prefab. So make the child and create new empty object and give the name, that is the recorder. In the VR setup will be a little different, and for the PC and WebGL it will be the same what I am sharing. So add the recorder. Why I'm saying, because it is the 2D voice. In 3D voice we need something that can change the volume. Okay, so currently we have the recorder, and here we can assign this recorder on the primary, and here we need the speaker prefab. So there is two way, you can create your own prefab or you can utilize the already created prefab on the Photon voice chat. Okay, so we will use directly here. So directly you can go, and what we have to see, prefab for the speaker. So search speaker. So here is the speaker prefab, and make sure it is coming from voice chatting. So currently speaker prefab. And what is the speaker prefab? So sometimes what happens in the 3D, if we need the 3D thing, so what we do, we directly add on the player. Okay, but currently we are just assigning, so at a runtime it will be generate. So currently it is the runtime coming. In the case you want to 3D perform, so on this you can also do, like here you can see spatial blend, and whenever you are going to increase on one, so it will perform the 3D. And this kind of setup work on the VR, it will work on everywhere, but it's depend on that how which kind of thing you want in your scene. In the Metaverse kind of application you can also perform so that it feels that sound is coming from some particular direction. Okay, so here is the audio source and here is the speaker. And in most of time in VR when I do, so I add this thing on my player head so that it just come from there. Okay, so nothing to worry about. I think we have set up our voice chatting. Now we can test. So I'm just going to test if there will be any sound, so I will turn off and properly, for the properly testing you have to perform on different devices. Currently we are performing on the same device, so it might be create the problem. And make sure that you have assigned this value, that is the app ID voice. So do the Control S and make sure it is not clone. You have to not perform anything on the clone. So just run. Okay, so our player is arrive here. Okay, let's join with another device, and if there will be any sound, so I will just turn off because everything have been set up. Okay, so now player have been joined. Hello. Okay, so it is not coming the sound. I think I have missed one thing, and that's the reason it is not coming the sound. So it means if you are playing and something sound is coming, it means it is okay, but something is not coming, so that is not okay. So we have the player prefab, and here we have to add, that is the voice network object, so that it recognizes that it is coming from there. So let's play again. Let's see what's going to happen. So player is joined. Okay, great. Let's join with another player, and hopefully it is also synced. And you can check here, voice it is sync. Okay, so just play. Hello. Okay, so now you can see something odd sound is coming. It means it is working perfectly, and you can play with your friends, and you will see that how it is working. So we have tested, and on the same device it create the echo. That's why I just turned off. So now we have implemented the voice setting. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and please don't forget to give me the rating. Your stars really help me to reach out much more people. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.